Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create outreach campaigns with Constant Contact, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab located in the main menu. Click on the Create button to start a new campaign. Select Email from the list of campaign options. Choose a template that suits your outreach goals. You can start with a blank template or select one that features a layout you like. After choosing a template, click Continue. In the next screen, you'll need to enter a name for. Make sure the name is descriptive to help you easily identify it later. Next, customize your email by adding your branding elements. This includes your logo, color scheme, and any other design elements that reflect your brand. Use the drag and drop editor for easy customization. Add text blocks, images, and buttons to enhance the email's appeal. Make sure your content is engaging and tailored to your audience. Include a clear call to action that encourages recipients to respond. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Continue. Review the email settings including the subject line and sender details. Ensure the subject line is attention-grabbing and relevant to your audience. Next, select your target audience by navigating to the Contacts section. Choose an existing list or create a new list based on your outreach criteria. Make sure the contacts you select will find the content relevant and valuable. After selecting your audience, click Continue. Constant Contact will provide you with a preview of your email. Take this opportunity to check for any errors and make necessary adjustments. Once everything looks good, you can choose to send the email immediately or schedule it for later. If scheduling, select the date and time that you believe will have the highest engagement. After setting up the timing, click Schedule. Finally, after your campaign is sent, monitor its performance in the Analytics section. Track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use these insights to refine your future outreach campaigns for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.